Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and we do home security, and today we're replacing this Ring Doorbell Pro. Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and we do home security, and today we're replacing this Ring Doorbell Pro. We're going to replace it with this Hikvision. The differences between these two doorbells is this isn't cloud-based, and if you're security conscious, this is the one to go with because it has a micro SD card and it also integrates into your NVR, which we'll be covering later on in this video. So another feature of this doorbell, it's instant when you ring the doorbell, so you'll get the notifications quick. How's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and today we're going to be reviewing these video doorbells. And so we're going to unbox them and talk about them and how to install them and what the pros and cons versus the Ring Doorbell. So with the Hike. All right, so it's going up. You know how long I've been waiting for this? So we got a quick start guide, QR code right in front. Looks very similar. I don't do exactly the same, dude. So we got a wall plate. Another wedge. And we got a black one. So gray, white, and black. No faceplate. Cool, man. So it's got the screw holes for the wires that go connected and 2 screws for mounting this guy. Now the SD card. So this is where the SD card goes. Okay. So do you know if you have a mechanical or a digital doorbell?
I guess mechanical.
Mechanical. Screws.
Yeah, it's mechanical.
Alright, oh yeah, 2 doorbells. Mounting screws. And some security screws. Cool, man. Well, that's the Hikvision. And this guy, it's 3 megapixels. It's got two-way talk, 180 degrees vertical field of view. It's IP65 rated. It's got night vision. So this is the Dahua video doorbell, wireless video doorbell, and it's 2 megapixels. This one has a field of view of 140 degrees. The IR distance is 5 meters. It's got a micro SD card. This one's 64 gigs and the other one was 128 gigs. Waterproof IP55. That one's IP65. Yeah, model number is DHI-DB11. Quick start guide. Looks like a little flip phone. Right?
The Nokia.
Yeah. It's got a security bit. This is a bit different. It's got the cables. Wow, this is definitely a bigger camera. Check this guy out, man.
Looks like the same size as a Ring.
Right? It's very different. Kind of like the Ring, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little different. Cool.
That doesn't have any faceplates?
No faceplates. This is a chime kit. Right in the bottom. Nothing. No faceplate. That's it. You get the old Razor or the Nokia phone. Metal. And there's the SD card right there. Reset button. Oh, it's right here. Super. It was really hard to open this thing, man.
So right here, as you can see, this is the doorbell. What we did with this Hikvision doorbell, we integrated into the NVR, the network video recorder. So it's now part of the security system. It's not in a separate app. It's all on one app. The benefits of this, it uses the hard drive of the NVR to record consistently. So it uses the hard drive of the NVR to record consistently. So it's not cloud-based, and it also has an option to record on a micro SD card if you don't have an NVR. But yeah, the beauty about this is go integrate it into your system, and it's automatic and it's instant, way faster than the Ring. So another cool feature of this doorbell that we just installed, since it's recording on the micro SD card and the NVR, it's not cloud-based, so you don't get charged a monthly subscription to have this doorbell. If this is something that interests you, definitely leave us a comment below or check out our website at infinitechservices.com. And thank you for watching. Differences of these two doorbells. This one is cloud-based. So if you're security conscious, another benefit of this doorbell, it's quick. So in other words, when I press this doorbell, it's instantaneous. Cool. Another cool feature about this doorbell that it's, I just completely forgot what you said. So another cool, all right. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'm trying to think because I'm. All right. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you a monthly subscription. On top of that, it doesn't cost you nothing per month. It doesn't cost you a monthly membership. Fuck.
It's a double negative.
Dude, I know.
It doesn't cost you nothing. Does that mean it costs you something?
Yeah, that's not good. So there's no monthly membership. That we just installed. It has the option. So another feature of this doorbell that we just installed, it does. So as you can see here, this is where the. Okay. So blah 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 blah. Okay. So another feature.